Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fontana and you're watching the Jersey Wife channel. Okay, so I decided I wanted to do this particular thing for my skin for at least 6 months, 4 months, 3 months, whatever, because you really can't evaluate something doing it a week, 2 weeks, even a month sometimes. So I haven't even told my friends I do this. Micro needling. I know you've all heard of it.
What?
I have researched this and it totally makes sense. You know how like we put lotions on our faces, but where does it go? It lays on the top of the surface, right? It may tighten it. It's temporary. Like I've been telling you guys, all this stuff is temporary and it's okay to be temporary. It's okay if you don't want to get the needles and the thing. I'm not ready for that yet. But I'm definitely on the border. I'm on the board. I'm hanging. So when they inject things, it's under the skin, right? So I said, okay, this makes kind of sense. So about 2 years ago, I had it done by an esthetician out in Short Hills, New Jersey. And it was really kind of a weird feeling. It's like little needles and then they put a lotion on. I don't know. Did it do anything? Probably not. So then I got it done the second time in my favorite place. I'm going to tell you all about that plastic surgeon and his staff in another video. But he's in Bedminster. So I went to Bedminster, New Jersey and did it there under the anesthetician there. I don't know. Maybe you got to do it 10 times. I'm not doing it for $200 10 times. So I stopped doing it. It was like crazy, you know, but I got the concept. So now you could do it at home. This is not a joke. This is serious. So you got to take this seriously, people. Okay. Microneedling. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It came in this box. Right here, microneedling. It looks like this. Here it is. Very simple, right? And you could barely see the needles. These have to be stainless steel. They can't be plastic. You have to read the box. This has 540 needles. Weird, right? And I'm going to put it on my hand. I'm not scared. It's a little prickly, but it doesn't hurt. It really doesn't. Now, all I wanted was to have my serums and moisturizers absorb. Now, what I did is I took like an average because some people do it every day. Crazy town. Some people do it once a week. Some people do it every 3 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, whatever. So I averaged it and I did it every 3 weeks. And your skin's going to be red. It's going to look a little sunburned. Get over it. It goes away. But that's for me because God forbid it doesn't go away for you for like a whole day. You'll be mad at me. So mine goes away in an hour. So I got the littlest needle and and the reason is because I researched this and this is 0.50 millimeters. And that is just enough to get the lotions absorbed. Now this is a little weird. I'm telling you, don't be scared. You must sterilize. Your face must be completely clean. So get a little micro cleaning. Go in the shower. Take all your makeup off. Pull your hair back, and this is how it's going to go. 10 times this way, 10 times this way, slant. Just go all over your face. You got to make a pattern, like go one way, then go the other way. It's got to be in a slant, all over your face, okay? Watch your eyes. This skin is very tender, so I don't know. I don't always go under there like this, but I do this, and you hold up that little, what's it called, the marionette line? Hold it up. Go into there. I go over now this is where it gets a little sticky. When it goes over your lips, it's a little sensitive, and I can't imagine a needle bigger than this going in my lips, but it's supposed to help your lips plump a little, absorb some collagen, and this does stimulate collagen as well. That's what I hear. I don't know. So anyway, so you do my lips, and I go, and then I go, and I go above it because, you know, you always get wrinkles in here and here. Listen, I don't know about you, but what the frig is with the getting old? You lose your upper lip too? Like besides all the other crap that goes on when you get old, okay? This is a friggin' magic show. I'd scare the crap out of everybody if I didn't have makeup on and hair done and all that. So the glam. It's a glam squad that does this, okay? I have to get a glam squad. Okay, so you do this whole pattern thing, okay? Then you get your best serum. When you do the micro needling, please get your best serum because whatever you really want to absorb. There's a million different serums. Everybody swears by them. I like the Strivectin SD. I use this sometimes. This one's very expensive, but it's really good. If you want to like save up for it. It's Paula's Choice Clinical 1% Retinol Treatment. I did use this until it was gone. I bought a sample because I didn't really believe it, so I bought a sample. You could buy samples, you know. Go on eBay and stuff. They have samples. Go to a reputable place and get samples. I think it's like 50, 60 bucks for this, but this cost me $9, this little thing. But it did do like 3 treatments of this, which was good because I wanted to see. It's definitely good. There's no doubt in my mind this is great. I love the Strivectin, but I wanted to do a serum. When I ran out of this, I picked this. So you do the microneedling, you put your serums on, you let it absorb in, then you get your best moisturizer and you put your moisturizer. I like moisturizers that
Bang.
right in.
Bang, bang, bang.
Right. And they absorb right into your skin. I hate those thick and you feel like a grease ball. Gross. Best part is I do my neck. I do my neck and I do this and I go all the way back here and I put my Gold Bond neck and chest, best stuff out on the market. My neck isn't terrible. You know, it was funny. I start to get a little lazy and I stop putting lotion at the end of the night. And I noticed in about 3 weeks, my neck started to look crappy again. Because in some of my videos, I'm like,
Oh my God.
well, I gotta fix that. I love my Gold Bond. I would suggest everyone to use that because it is the best stuff out on the market. There is no doubt in my mind, best stuff. It's $9. Was $7, now it's $9 because everybody's using it. Gonna put that below too. So all this crap. Now, these needles go all the way up to, I'm thinking blood is drawn at 3 points, 2.5. I'm thinking blood's being drawn.
Oh my God!
I don't trust a home thing that you're doing that. But I heard like if you go up 1 needle, I think from the 0.0, I don't even know what that is. The next one is like 75. 0.75. It is good for acne, they said. So if you have acne, and adults have acne too sometimes. I didn't have that, thank God. But it's supposed to really get in. You do this on the acne, and then you put your acne cream. And it's supposed to be really good because it goes under. If it makes little tiny micro little spaces in your face and lotions go under the top layer of your skin, it makes sense that it's got to work. And I got to say, I think it did do a little something. Didn't do like, I don't look 15 years younger, but it's a little something. So I'm going to keep doing it, especially on the lips. Listen, when I go to the doctor, I am not getting duck lips because I don't understand how people do this all day long. Like their lips are why do you want to look like a duck? I don't get it. I just want to save my lips, and then maybe if I go for my marionette in my head, I am going. I can't take it anymore. I can't. So anyway, and when I do it, you know I'm going to film it, right? Now, these are the really important things I want to tell you, all kidding aside. Never share this. Never ever share this with anybody. Make sure these are stainless steel. You do not press when you do this. It's like this. Look, light, little pressure, very little. Has a little thumb thing here. Little pressure. That's it. Do not stop. You have to remember, this is serious. You must wash it with alcohol. I put it in a little, bathroom cup, or I fill this little top and I throw it in there, and then let it air dry. When it's done, you put the lid on. I keep the box. Now, most people would throw the box out, not me, because I never remember what needle size. I screw it up. I ordered the wrong ones one time, and I was like, no, I'm not doing that on my face, okay? But you can actually use this on your hands, and that's really great too, is I do every finger. I do my arms. I do my arms. And then I put my lotion on. It can't hurt you. It doesn't hurt on your outer part of your body. Your face, I'm telling you, the lips are the worst. Okay, so that's my microneedling video. Totally do it. Try it, but take it seriously. I wouldn't go anything higher than what I've been using, especially in the beginning. You can work up to it, I guess. I don't know. I'm leaving it at that. So you've been watching the Jersey Wife channel, and I am Fontana. And I need a thumbs up, and I need subscriptions. Subscribers. What do you say? Subscribers? Yeah. So listen, first of all, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Thank you. I have people from all over the country starting to subscribe. I'm loving it. I have some fantastic people from the South. I'm going to list a couple of their videos possibly below so that you can maybe go watch them. Really great videos. I had a lot of fun. I had someone comment on the way I said Marlowe, and it is Morlot Merlot with grapeseed and all kinds of natural stuff. I was doing if you notice, when I did the chin thing and I kept calling it Merlot. I didn't get the concept that it was grapes and Merlot and wine, and I was an idiot. So I'm thinking this can't be called Merlot. It has to be called Merlot because it's a cream. So anyway, got a lot of comments on that. That was very funny. Thank you so much. Please tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your grandchildren, tell your children, tell your cousins, aunts, uncles. Tell them to subscribe to Fontana Jersey Wife channel because I am loving doing these videos. So I'm going to tell you, what do we do here? What do we do here? Jersey, we do everything Jersey style here. And we also live very loud. We absolutely do because I have a loud voice. Yikes, I didn't even smoke. People think I have a smoker voice. Do I have a smoker voice? And someone told me I had an accent. I didn't know I had an accent, but anyway, that's funny too. And what else do? We never compromise. This is Fontana. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.